Good day to you, everyone. Coming to you from Destin, Florida. We are actually going to be going on a Sea Blaster Dolphin cruise at sunset. So I'm coming to you from Harbor Walk Marina. I'm right down here at the marina, and the Sea Blaster is right here in front of me. We are actually, my other party is waiting in line, but I just want to kind of show you guys, they have a check-in here at the orange booth right here, and we are right on the main thoroughfare at Harbor Walk Village. So there's some signage for you to go ahead and find it. It's right by Pandora's Steakhouse, so super easy. Just come on down that side, and then that orange booth is there for you to go ahead and check in your reservation. Come on down here and you'll see the Sea Blaster. So we board in about 5 minutes. Hopefully we'll be able to get to see some dolphins and a great sunset.
Do not come up to this cooler right here and bother them for alcohol. They'll be bringing it to you in time, 15-minute rounds until we get back to the dock. Y'all just sit back, relax, and enjoy the boat ride. Come around this point right here and head out there towards the Gulf to go look for dolphins.
Boarding on the Sea Blaster, super easy. We just kind of handed them our tickets, found our seats, and sat down. Of course, the captain gave us a little rundown of what to expect on our 2-hour sunset dolphin cruise. So, of course, you just little safety tidbits and whatnot for you. But overall, we're just going to kick back and have a great time. So during the duration of the cruise, they do play some music. So I'm going to go ahead and narrate a little bit. I can't really give you the sights and sounds because the sound was just some awesome rockin' music. And of course, the crew, everybody on board felt the vibe from young to old. Everybody was having a great time. So they do serve beverages on board. So they have beer, wine, soft drinks, and some water. They had Coke, Sprite, Diet Coke.
To the left is the men's, women's is on the right. They are super classy. Can't wait till you see them. You're gonna love them. If you guys have any sort of trash, cans, cups, anything of that sort, y'all could hand that to Kenneth or Tyler as they're going around the boat, or y'all could throw it away yourselves. There's a trash can right here behind me in the middle of the boat. Just make sure it gets in that trash can and not the water. Save the turtles. Y'all hold on to them. Don't lose your hats, guys. Cause we about to let it rip, Tater Chip.
But regardless, every 15 minutes they brought you more drinks, topped you off if you needed to be, and then took some of your trash. The crew that we had on board, we had Kenneth, Tyler, and of course Captain, and all of them were amazing.
Oh yeah, front left, guys, front left. Everybody, y'all can move around the boat too. Remember, it's not as choppy out here, but it is still a little bit swelly. So if you are up moving around the boat, just make sure you're holding on to something, guys. But yeah, it looks like quite a few of them up here on the front left. Everybody can pile on over there. It won't hurt a thing, guys. This boat won't flip over. I mean, unless like the boat looks like it's flipping over. In that case, some of y'all might want to go back the other side over there, you know. They go under us again. Slippery dolphins. They might be popping up on up here on the front left. In front right. I don't know. We'll see.
For you see dolphins leaping out of the water, almost theatrically. So Captain, of course, is kind of teaming up with another boat captain They are creating that wake that the dolphins are kind of jumping through. They're having fun. Like, the dolphins are out there just having fun, and everybody is enjoying watching them. And there's, of course, there's music rocking, and it seems like the dolphins are truly performing to the music. We're not at SeaWorld though, guys. We are just kind of out in the middle of the ocean. So it's kind of neat. Towards the end of our sailing, the captain went ahead and let the kids come up and captain the boat, honk the horn, things like that. Great time. Of course, we had already seen the dolphins and everything right before sunset, so it was perfect timing. Of course, they have it all figured out perfectly. If you are in the Destin area looking for something to do not miss the Sea Blaster, because this was amazing. I was concerned that, maybe it was going to go too fast for some of our family members, or you'd get wet, anything like that. They have bathrooms on board even. So it was more comfortable than I thought it was going to be. It was more fun than I thought it was going to be. We saw amazing dolphins. The crew was amazing. This is a 10 out of 10 experience. So whenever we're back in Destin, we'll be doing it again. Highly recommend, if you're in the area, to check it out. Thank you all so much for watching today and enjoying the Sea Blaster Dolphin Cruise with us. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye!